welcome back to our channel
Unicorn Diaries. I am Anju.
and I'm Granthali. So today we have come up with a very exciting and new type of video, that is
DIY Diwali special video.
so yes, in this video we are going to do some very quick hacks or DIY for
Actually, last moment hacks that you can do
Yes.
easily within 5 to 10 minutes.
and also it is very affordable. Like of course this will be a very budget friendly as well as very easy to do it. So without any further ado, let's get
So the first DIY we are doing is you have seen that hoops with that
Pearls, yes.
It cost you around 300 to 400 rupees in
Yes.
any store or any
online.
yeah.
Actually we got this packet for rupees 35 only.
Yes.
and of
And
course
इसमें इतने पैकेट में तो हम लोग का कितना सारा एक्चुअली बन जाएगा. So we have two sizes of hoop. So we are gonna try on these.
Yes.
So
and also this would go well with your tradition as it has pearls, and also it would look good on your
Western wear also.
outfits also. So let's just zoom you in.
So I am here. Granthali is behind the camera. So we have to show you the zoom in and zoom out also. So we have some pearls here and Fevibond to stick pearls on these hoops, and we have two sizes of hoops. These are the very large ones, मतलब सबसे बड़ा जो size मिलता है वो, and this is the small one. So as you can see in the image, उन लोग ने मतलब pearl थोड़े थोड़े gaps में ये किया है. Now you can do this according to your preference as you want it. इसमें हम लोग full pearls लगाने वाले हैं without gap, और to just show you कि कैसे दिखता है, और इसमें थोड़ा gaps करके आपको बताते हैं. So let's get started. एंड ऑल्सो ये यहाँ से स्टिक करना मत स्टार्ट करना, क्योंकि फिर आगे के पल्स जाएंगे नहीं. सो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम योर. So you can see it's looking so beautiful. We didn't think इतना beautiful turn out होगा ये. And now we will show you इसमें फूल भरते हैं कैसा. So इसमें हम लोग को गम लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, because we are not leaving any space. तो वो अपने स्पेस जगह से हिलेगा नहीं. So ऐसे ही डालते हैं. So ये जो लास्ट वाला पर्ल बचा है इसमें हम लोग गम लगाते हैं. फिर इन केस ये ऐसे निकलेगा नहीं तो फिर लगा देते हैं. छोड़ो. So guys, ये भी रेडी हो गया है. You can see it's looking so pretty. मुझे कुछ बोलने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. You can see it yourself.
As you can see this beautiful earrings. Also if you don't want this in white, we do have like the shopkeeper that vendor showed me many more such colors in
Yeah.
this, and it had like beautiful colors like pastels, pink, black, orange, every sort of thing. So you can just do it as per your choice. So yes.
And if you do and you experiment with these, so thanks.
Yes, don't forget to tag us, guys. Now moving on to the second DIY, that is a sort of home decor, we can
Yeah.
say, right? Okay, so we are going, actually we saw this in one of the Haley's vlog,
Yeah.
that she did this, so we are sort of recreating it. Let's see how does this goes.
So she used some round mirror as such, but we didn't have that, and we don't have to spend that much. So we are using some CDs.
And as this video is all about DIYs and also from scratch, you can send its last moment DIYs as she mentioned earlier. And also if you want this in color, you can stick card papers or you can just create more and more in this. So let's just do it.
So all we need is some CDs and Fevibond to stick some kundan. We have many kundan here of different colors and shapes.
Yes, and this is also very cheap.
Yeah.
Like for 5-10 rupees you would get it on any
a whole packet, right?
Sure.
And you will get it in any shape and size, as you can see, and any color you
lot
want.
of it, yes. And diyas. This is actually used of course, but you can just, if you have new ones, you can use it because this can also work. It's pretty. It's just वो use किया है तो वैसा है. So
And if you don't have the, मतलब ये तो मिट्टी वाला दिया है.
हाँ.
Actually दहेली ने वो जो candle वाला दिया है, plastic वाला, she used that. So we didn't have that, so we are using this without any blabbering. Let's get started.
Okay, so guys, I have stuck the Fevicol here. Also you can use Fevicol, but
So it takes more time than usual, so we are using
the
this.
Fevicol, yes. So now
The third DIY is we are making some necklaces with pearls.
yes.
One in golden chain and one in silver chain.
Yes, because some people prefer golden only and or else silver only. Like as we sometimes, like most of the time we prefer silver. So but we have given you options and it looks pretty in both.
Yeah.
So yes, let's get into it. So guys, first we need a necklace here which has this 2 knot earrings on each of the side, as you can see here. Also if you don't have this, you can cut the normal one and get it cut. And also here we have a thread which we'll use, I'll show you. And then we have to unhook it. As you can see here, we have to keep that round wala part and do the same on both sides, and then we have to place the thread according to the size we want and cut it. Like here we are going to add only 5 to 6 pearls in it, so as per that size we are cutting. You can cut it more and then adjust according to it. Now we'll tie it. First make sure that the ring is tight so the thread doesn't get out of it. So now we'll tie it. It was a bit tricky for me, but I managed to tie it. And also make sure कि आप अच्छे से tie करो तो फिर वो आगे जाके खुले ना. So yeah, you can follow the steps as I'm doing in the video. Okay, so now as you can see here, I have the other part of the thread. Now what you have to do is, it's very simple. So you just have to insert the pearls in the thread as shown in the video. You can increase or decrease as per your choice. So yeah. So now as you see, I have inserted the pearl. Now also again you have to make sure that you tie it properly. Now this part we don't have a lot of thread here, so you just don't have to keep more gap in it, so or else the thread will show. So tie it properly.
As shown in the image, we wanted it to be like a flower. This one is pretty simple. You just have to take a thread and insert the pearls. Here we took 5 pearls, as you can see. So just tie it properly so that it won't open. Make sure you tie 2 knots. and then cut the extra thread, but keep in mind कि वो thread ज़्यादा कट ना हो क्योंकि हम लोग को वो chain में भी tie करना है. So yeah. Also, while cutting it, make sure you keep a distance. Don't cut it from the edge. So this was all it for this video.
If you like and found helpful, please do like
Share
and subscribe to our channel Unicorn Diaries.
and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you will get notified every time we upload a new video.
And also guys, do check out our Instagram, and also if you do any of this, do let us know, tag us, and yeah,
So stay humble
work hard.
and be kind.
Bye guys.